Hello everyone, and welcome along to what is a stunning late spring day here in the UK. Best day of the year so far, without a doubt. Hottest, it's probably going to be about 23-24 degrees Celsius, so way hotter than it should be at this time of year. And I'm buzzing to be out on the Ducati Streetfighter V2 today. I haven't been out on this bike for a few weeks, and reason being is that I've been away on holiday. I was lucky enough to go to the Cayman Islands in the Caribbean. Absolutely lovely place. Well recommend that to anyone who wants a beach holiday, relaxation, good weather, good food. Yeah, it's lovely there. So yeah, today's video is just going to be a bit of a random ramble, really. Got nothing really to talk about, so I thought I'd just bring the bike out and just have a burn around the roads, see what's going on. Maybe talk about my plans for the summer, what I'm going to be doing on bikes. I've also got a new bit of kit, so I've just purchased the GoPro Max 2 camera, which is their latest version of 360 camera. So I'm going to be bringing you some more interesting shots from that. I've got the stick to attach it to the bike, so I can do 360 shots around the bike, and you can also set it up on tripods and things like that to do nice kind of passing shots and things like that. So gradually I'm going to incorporate those into my videos. Hopefully it makes the videos a little bit more interesting, give you some different views from my perspective. I'll also have it as a kind of front-facing camera as well. So that's just another good perspective to have. As my channel develops, I'm just progressing with my filming experience. So this summer I'm hopefully going to be demoing some more bikes. Now, for those of you that do follow me, you'll be used to me demoing mostly naked bikes, and that's because that's the style of bike that I love the most. So quite possibly this year I might still review a few naked bikes. I'm also looking to maybe venture out a little bit, maybe try a couple of more sports bikes, and I'm also thinking of trying some kind of modern retro stuff, kind of like Royal Enfield type stuff. I've never ridden a Royal Enfield, so I'm quite keen to have a go on one of those and see what they're all about. Also maybe some other kind of modern retro classics, maybe some Triumphs. Never ridden a Bonneville, always had my eyes on one of those. Maybe a Bobber, I think they look pretty cool. And then sports bike wise, I mean, I've ridden the Panigale. I wouldn't mind riding some Ninjas, whether it's 650, 1000, if they do 1000, 1100 maybe. Have to have a look. So yeah, maybe the Yamaha R9 I could try out as well. And then possibly some touring bikes as well. I was thinking in the future, if I need a bike for a longer commute or anything like that, I'd probably end up getting possibly a touring bike. So maybe one of the Tracers, try that Yamaha Tracer 9. I quite like the GT version of that. And any others, maybe a Honda Africa Twin, maybe. Quite like the look of those. So yeah, if you've got any suggestions of bikes that you'd like me to have a look at, do comment, because that'll help me pick and decide. So hopefully I can get to some dealers and see if they'll let me demo some bikes. Fingers crossed. I'll also be bringing you more content on the 2 bikes that I do have. So obviously this Ducati, and then my recently purchased BMW S1000R, which I'm still running in the engine at the moment. Done about 300 miles on it, and that bike is insanely good so far. But as I learn more about that bike and get the first service out of the way, I'll be able to bring you some more content on that, and hopefully it'll provide me with a lot of riding pleasure. And so far it has. It is a slick machine, that one. I'm so lucky to have this bike and that one. 2 completely different machines, but both premium bikes, and yeah, you notice it when you're riding them, definitely. Yeah, just going back to the weather again today, it is absolutely stunning. The views here in the countryside are perfect. I just want to stop by a pub and grab a drink. It's not even 12 o'clock yet, it's 11. Could do with a nice cool beer. Just love coming through the countryside on days like this. It makes all the grey worthwhile. Beautiful little village, this Penshurst. So it's just a quick update from me really on plans for the year. So I hope everyone is looking forward to having a great summer. Let me know where you're biking to. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to do a couple of longer rides than just my regular roads that I ride. Always good to explore new places. And do let me know if there's any bike meets that you attend. Anywhere in Surrey, Kent, Essex, London, I'll be able to reach you all. So do enjoy the rest of your day. Do like and subscribe to the channel, and I will speak to you soon. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.